So my name's Patrick. I'm from Rancho Cordova, California, but I live in Stockton. Honestly, like I came in with no knowledge whatsoever. I feel like a great idea for a shirt, and searching around all over trying to find somebody to give me some kind of input or pointers. Nobody wanted to help me out. Luckily, I found them like 3 days before the class, and I'm confident that I'm gonna make some good shirts when I'm done. And yes, I would recommend anybody interested to come over here because they're real nice and they'll let you mess up, correct you in a nice way and, get the job done.
My name is Matt Grossman, and at the NorCal screen printing class, I learned a lot about screen printing, basically the whole process from start to finish. We learned how to prep our artwork on the computer, how to prepare our film positives, burn screens, and then just, everything behind me, like how to print, and we made a bunch of t-shirts. Yeah, I learned a lot about the screen printing process and how to do it well. I would recommend this class to anybody that wants to learn about screen printing. It's honestly the only screen printing class that you can find in this part of the U.S.
My name is Aaron.
I'm Jessica.
It was a great experience. I learned a lot from Steve. Beforehand, I had very minor experience in screen printing, but now I have a lot more knowledge in when it comes to burning the screens and reclaiming them. So I think that's a big factor for me.
I go probably the same. You learned how to do the pressure when you're pressing the screen. My biggest downfall when I got here was putting the emulsion on the screen, and Steve allowed us to do multiple screens until we were comfortable.
And I also like they went over the business side of it and what to expect. How to run the business from start to finish. So I think that's very valuable information that not many people are willing to share.
Hi, my name is Delina.
And I'm TC.
When I first came here, I've been trying to do this for many, many years, and this basically came off our bucket list. The staff is great. We learned a lot. I feel like I can open a business and make money right away.
I like the class because of the printing. I was already doing a little graphics, but we wanted to get to the printing side and know how it worked out and the necessary methods to make it happen. We got into the class here, and you know what? We're genius. We recommend you guys come to NorCal.
Yeah.
Print.
And the staff is A1, outstanding.
Again, NorCal.
And you get lunch. You get lunch.
Don't forget NorCal.
Yeah.
One more time. NorCal.
Hey, Steven here with NorCal Screen Print Supply. Wrapping up another class today. Had a group of about 10 people. We printed some CMYK, some spot color. We registered a bunch of jobs. We burned some screens and had a stellar group. Everybody learned a lot, had a good time. We had some nice lunches as well and all got to know each other a little bit. Great time doing the class. And if you're interested in a class, we have a couple more this year. Check out the website, norcalsps.com, and keep on printing.